Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your trusted destination for the latest and most accurate updates from the world of automobiles. In today's video, we are taking a deep dive into the officially revealed details of the 2026 Mercedes S-Class. According to the latest updates from Mercedes-Benz, the new S-Class has received comprehensive upgrades in terms of design, technology, comfort, and performance, pushing the boundaries of luxury and innovation even further than its predecessor. Starting with the design, the 2026 Mercedes S-Class continues to embody the brand's philosophy of modern luxury. The latest model features a refined exterior with smoother lines and a more aerodynamic silhouette, enhancing both aesthetics and efficiency. The front fascia has been updated with a redesigned grille and sleeker, more dynamic LED digital light headlamps. These headlamps now come with improved projection technology for enhanced night visibility and adaptive beam functions that adjust intelligently based on road conditions and surrounding traffic. The rear profile also sees subtle changes, including a more sculpted bumper and redesigned OLED tail lamps that offer a unique lighting signature. Inside the cabin, the 2026 S-Class offers an even more opulent experience than the previous generation. According to the latest updates from Mercedes, the interior now features new upholstery choices including sustainable materials, advanced ambient lighting with dynamic themes, and a redesigned MBUX infotainment system with an even more intuitive user interface. The updated central OLED display has better responsiveness and supports haptic feedback, while the digital instrument cluster offers greater customization and high-resolution graphics. Rear passengers are also treated to enhanced luxury with upgraded seat massage functions, electrically adjustable executive rear seats, and personal entertainment screens that are now integrated with voice control and gesture recognition. In terms of performance, Mercedes-Benz has confirmed significant improvements over the outgoing model. The 2026 S-Class comes with a new range of electrified powertrains, including an upgraded inline-6 and V8 engine, both featuring 48-volt mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency and smoother performance. The new V8 engine delivers higher torque and faster acceleration compared to the 2025 version, with a 0 to 100 km/h time reduced by nearly 0.3 seconds. The refined 4MATIC all-wheel drive system now offers more dynamic power distribution, enhancing both cornering stability and ride comfort. One of the major highlights of the 2026 model is the introduction of a plug-in hybrid variant with an extended electric-only range. Mercedes confirms that this new plug-in hybrid S-Class can now travel up to 100 kilometers on pure electric power, thanks to a larger battery pack and improved regenerative braking system. This marks a substantial improvement over the previous plug-in model, making it an even more viable option for eco-conscious luxury buyers. When it comes to ride quality, the latest updates show that Mercedes has further refined its AIRMATIC air suspension system. Now paired with a new road surface scan and e-active body control, the 2026 S-Class delivers an even smoother and more composed ride, regardless of road conditions. These systems work together in real time to adjust the damping and suspension settings based on the road ahead, ensuring maximum comfort and reduced body roll. Mercedes-Benz has also prioritized safety and autonomous driving capabilities in the 2026 S-Class. The updated model now includes the latest version of the Drive Pilot system, which is officially certified for Level 3 autonomous driving in select markets. This system allows hands-free driving under certain highway conditions, using an array of radar, LiDAR, and camera sensors to maintain lane position, manage speed, and handle stop-and-go traffic. In addition, the new pre-safe impulse side feature has been enhanced to better protect occupants by automatically adjusting the suspension to elevate the vehicle slightly during an imminent side impact. Connectivity and digital features have also been elevated in the new S-Class. According to the latest updates, the 2026 model includes advanced 5G integration, allowing for faster over-the-air updates and improved in-car entertainment streaming. The MBUX system now supports multi-device connectivity and offers more natural voice commands with AI-backed learning capabilities, adapting to user preferences over time. Furthermore, the digital key function has been enhanced for wider smartphone compatibility and secure sharing options with family members or colleagues. Another key upgrade is the enhancement in sustainability efforts. Mercedes has officially confirmed the use of more recycled materials in the construction of the 2026 S-Class, including the use of ocean plastic derivatives and renewable natural fibers in interior trim elements. The production process itself has also become more energy efficient, aligning with the company's ongoing Ambition 2039 climate strategy. To sum it up, the 2026 Mercedes S-Class represents the pinnacle of luxury, comfort, and advanced automotive technology. With confirmed upgrades across every major component, from its redesigned exterior and ultra-luxurious interior to its electrified and more powerful drivetrains, this flagship sedan continues to set the standard in its class. Mercedes-Benz has clearly raised the bar once again, offering a driving and ownership experience that is not only more refined and connected, but also more environmentally responsible. Thanks for watching this detailed update on the 2026 Mercedes S-Class. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Digital Cars Info, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any future updates on the latest car launches and innovations. See you in the next video with more exciting automotive news and reviews.